with the recent happenings, we look like siblings who came, to confront our challenges together. Maybe as siblings who are having this challenge with our other set of people, and then we came to confront it, and then all of a sudden, in the front of those people we came to solve our issue with, we started fighting ourselves, and the people we confronted, are laughing massively at us. Don't you think? Basically, the numbers to call to become part of this conversation are 08094441035 or 08096661035. It is the moment of truth. We have to address these things. We have to address them really. All we have to talk about it really. Let's see. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Your name and your location, sir.
I'm calling from Obosi.
Your name.
Izuchukwu.
Okay, please. What do you think? If you are in the shoes of Professor Charles Soludo, what would you do? Okay, we lost that. Yes, it could be cumbersome, but it is happening to us, and we must address it. We have to talk about it. We have to see how we come about this. Let's see. Hello. 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 Okay. Yes, sometimes, the network could be tricky, but at the same time, Colin, it is very important that you do, so that we talk about this, we address it. A thing or two from you could also address this and we'll fix it. A whole lot of, it's not just, before we call it a day on this particular edition of this program today, I will get to the news reports that talked about this detailed, and then you see what is at stake really what is at stake. Have we not gone overboard with the actions? All that is going on, has it not gone overboard really? 08094441035 or 08096661035. Hello. Oh, wow. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Hello. 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 Okay. Hello. Hello. Oh, network. Wow. Please keep the calls coming. 00944411035 or 00966661035. We have to talk about this really, no matter what. Even if the network is messing around, we will still have to talk about this. Do call in, please.